Hello folks, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another money lesson. Also, welcome to 2022. My question to you today is, will you make 2022 the year of you? Will you take steps to put yourself on the financial path that you want to be on? Will you commit to setting financial goals for yourself and then hold yourself accountable? Will you develop a plan for how you will achieve your goals? Or will you do what you've always done, which is to basically lie to yourself and say that you're going to do things different, but you never develop a plan and you don't take any meaningful action, and in 2023 you'll be thinking about and facing the same problems again? Well, I am here to tell you it is time to break that cycle. If you truly want your future to be brighter, if you really want to begin building wealth, if you really want to experience financial independence and the freedom and security it takes to live a more pleasurable lifestyle, then you have to start by making 2022 the year of you. That means you have to focus on the things that you can control that will support your financial goals. I've said many times before that I don't do New Year's resolutions, but I do believe in setting goals. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to take a moment to jot down a list of things in your financial life that are not where you would like them to be. Be very honest with yourself and just focus on what the issues are and not how they got that way. Is your credit score less than desirable? Do you have too much debt, which is also hurting your credit score? Do you have a retirement plan? Or perhaps your employer offers a 401k or other retirement plan, but you're not taking full advantage of it. Do you have an emergency fund to cover unplanned expenses, or are you handling those emergencies with your credit card, which is adding to your debt, which is hurting your credit score, which causes your rate to go up, and now you're paying so much in interest that you can't afford to contribute to your retirement plan? You have to break the cycle. Once you have generated your list, take some time to develop an action plan for each item. And don't try to tell me you don't have time to do all of this. First of all, you don't have to do it all at once. And besides that, the average person spends 2.5 hours a day on social media. So don't tell me you can't dedicate 1 hour a week to making 2022 the year of you. Make note of the things you can do yourself and the things you'll need help with. If you need help setting up your retirement plan or figuring out how much you need to be contributing to that retirement plan or what you should be investing in, reach out to me through my website and I will be happy to assist you. I can also help you with debt elimination and improving your credit score. I'll leave a link to my contact page in the description below, and remember, your initial consultation is always free, and if I can't help you, I won't charge you, so you have nothing to lose. Let me give you just a few of the reasons why you need to make 2022 the year of you. First of all, I believe we're on the cusp of a real shift of wealth in this country. This has been slowly building for several years now, but I believe we're going to see that process accelerated in the not too distant future. More and more people are seeing the value of investing in the stock market. At the same time, there are more and more ways to invest with less money than ever before. The pandemic is also playing a role in creating more opportunities for people to make more money. Some people have discovered that they could start their own business to either supplement or in some cases replace their pre-pandemic income. And while the unemployment numbers that skyrocketed during the pandemic tell one side of the story, the other side of the story is much more optimistic. You see, a lot of people that have not gone back to work have chosen not to go back to work. It seems like everywhere you go, businesses are looking to hire employees. Now, yes, most of the now hiring signs that we see in our daily routines are for minimum wage jobs. But there are also lots of openings in more skilled, higher paying jobs. Maybe this is the year that you make a career change or start your own business. This is also a good time to tackle debt. Interest rates overall are still low, but the Fed has already said that they may need to raise rates at least 4 times this year and possibly as many as 7 times in order to help get inflation under control. So if you have credit card debt, you can expect to see those already high rates go even higher, which will take more money out of your pocket. Why not make 2022 the year that you make a plan for eliminating your debt? If you need help creating your debt freedom plan, why not reach out to me using the link below? If I can't help you eliminate your debt faster and save you money, I won't charge you. Like I said before, your initial consultation is always free, so why wouldn't you at least have a conversation? And while we're on the subject of debt, please don't forget that you now have until May 1st to work on your student loan debt without incurring any interest. If you have federal student loans and you're on an income-based repayment plan, then chances are you're in negative amortization. What this means is that your monthly payments are so low that they don't even cover the interest you're being charged. The result is that you're making payments every month, but your balance is going up instead of coming down. This is why there's more than $1.7 trillion in student loan debt on the books. There is a way out and I can help, but you have to take the first step. The first step in making 2022 the year of you is deciding what is most important to you. Is it saving for retirement? Is it debt freedom? Is it improving your credit score so that you can save money on future purchases? Or maybe your priority is to increase your income by either making a career change or starting your own business. Regardless of which area of your personal finance is a priority for you, there is no better time to start than 2022. If you truly want to change your financial future, you have to understand that the time to start making that happen is right now. You also have to understand that your financial success is heavily impacted by your financial behaviors. And our behaviors are simply habits that we have developed over the course of our lives. Those habits or behaviors have helped shape our lives into what they are today. But here's the good news. If you change your behaviors, you can change your life. So until next time, behave well.